Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again with another quick video. I just uploaded a video, but I had a lot of good questions in there that I wanted to answer for some of you guys. First of all, one thing that I've been using here is this Anamorphic audio system here. It's kind of like this little wireless system. We got this unit here, and then if I take this off, I've got this little clip here, which is the actual microphone. You can see the microphone there. Super convenient. And one thing is I can record to an SD card, which I'm doing right now, which is going to be separate. And then I'll upload that into my into DaVinci Resolve and put it together. So quick commercial out the way. I just wanted to throw that out at you guys. Also, I'm also been testing out the MOZA Slypod E, which I'm using right now to get some really cool sliding shots. I'll be doing I don't know if I'm going to do a full review because there's so many reviews on it. I think I'm going to do more of a showing you what kind of shots you can do versus just a generic old review, because there's like hundreds of them already out. And I'm more into this, what you can actually use it for, and getting some really silky smooth slide shots. But anyways, the question that I was getting was, why am I using Mcpro versus Filmic Pro? I'm going to switch over to Filmic Pro, and there's an issue that I'm having with Filmic Pro that maybe you guys might be able to help me out with down in the comments. So let me switch over, and basically I have it set up here. I'm just using a flat profile here in Mcpro. I'm going to switch it over to DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to go to just a flat profile there and show you, not DaVinci Resolve, Filmic Pro, and show you the issue that I'm having there. So this is the issue that I'm having. Right now I'm using the flat profile, but you see everything has this extremely washed out, which I know because it's a flat profile, but it also has a slight green tint to it. So when I go into DaVinci Resolve to color it, there's an issue. It's not coloring properly. Now, if I switch this, let me stop it and switch it to the regular profile to no profile. Okay, now I have it set to natural. Natural profile. Look at this. There's no profile on it. There's no log. It's supposed to be just standard. Like, I don't understand it. And it's like, this is the look that I get out of here with no profile, no flat profile on it. And I can't figure it out. I've changed my white balance, and it's just like, it seems, I mean, I don't see, if I change my white balance, there it is again. It's still, the image has this slight green tint to it, and it's just so washed out. I don't know what the issue is, and I never had this issue on my Samsung on my Samsung S7 Edge. But when I got to this Note 8, I've had that issue. I'm going to switch back to Mcpro with no profile on it. Same thing, so you can see the difference, okay? So here's Filmic Pro. Let me switch back. All right, so now I'm back inside of Mcpro, and I set everything back to default. So I'm basically on a Rec 709 gamut and a Rec 709 color profile. And look at the difference. That's the issue why I haven't been using Filmic Pro, which I love Filmic Pro, especially for the time-lapse capabilities that I can do in there. And it was just my go-to, but ever since I switched to the Note 8, sorry, I've had that issue, like the color issue, and I just can't fix it. So, and then even if I do get it to be correct, anytime I switch to anything above to HD, like if I switch to 2K or 4K, it immediately switches to that washed out color tone. So I haven't been using Filmic Pro, and that's the reason why at this moment. And plus, right now, the image that I'm getting out of Mcpro is just astonishing. You can basically take your phone to the hardware limits, which I'm not able to do in Filmic Pro. I love Filmic Pro, but right now the things that I'm doing out of this app are crazy. So, and then I can't imagine if I had like a better device like a Samsung 20 or something, and you can do it. You can enable the 10-bit stuff. So that's the reason why I haven't been using Filmic Pro. It's not that I hate it. It's just I'm having issues with it on this phone here. Possibly when I'm trying to get a Sony phone next here, maybe a Sony Mark 1 or something like that, and then I might try it again. But then again, the capabilities that I can do with the Mark 1 on this phone with this app, on a Sony with this app, are even more capable than what Filmic Pro can do at the moment. So that has been the reason why I haven't been using it. So if you guys have any comments or any ways to help me out, let me know down in the comments here, and I'll try to figure out maybe how I can get it to work. Again, like I said, I do like Filmic Pro because also I can switch back and forth out of that time-lapse mode, and just that was my time-lapse go-to. I loved it. And but at the moment, this is what I've been using, and I'm quite enjoying using MC Pro. So alrighty, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Patrick Levar, keep filming. Sorry. Yeah, this video is kind of weird, but I just wanted to get it out there because I want to keep this communication between the family here, and it's easier for me to answer questions through videos. So, catch you guys in the next one. Enough of my jibber jabber. Bye-bye. Peace.